Hello and welcome everyone to the official kickoff meeting for our Liftware project. My name is Tiberiu Hrab and I would like to begin this meeting by sharing my excitement about being part of this project that has the opportunity to drastically improve so many people's lives with this amazing new product. We start with our meeting agenda. In the beginning, I would like to talk about our vision, because at Google X, we believe it is important to reinforce our overall vision and ensure that all the projects we work on are aligned and aimed at making an impact and not just research. We will highlight some of our past achievements to set a benchmark for a successful project and also set the expectations for this new project at hand. We will then dive a little bit deeper into our Liftware project with the problem we are solving, how we are making a difference, and presenting both products to be first developed. We will introduce our amazing team to be working on the project launch and describe all the guidelines and expectations. We'll continue with the project timeline and finally end with describing the next steps. Our Google X vision is to create radical new technologies to solve some of the world's hardest problems. Under our vision, all our projects must fall under our three pillars. 1. Address a big problem. As we will see in some examples shortly, we have and will continue to tackle some of the most important problems the world and society is facing. 2. Propose a radical solution. Our solutions need to not only ameliorate some of the problem, but to be so radical so that the problem is completely solutioned. 3. Employ relatively feasible technology. Although in this case, it started as military technology for weapon stabilizing in aid of the people suffering from battle trauma, we believe that adapting this technology to a common tool like a spoon will transform it into a feasible technology and open up the door for many more applications down the road. Some of our past achievements worth mentioning. The first one would be the self-driving cars. This pioneered the autonomous car field and has later adopted by all the major car manufacturers like Tesla or BMW, to give a couple of examples. Google Smart Glasses is a technology that we believe will soon be incorporated in motorcycle helmets, virtual reality goggles, and many others. Kites that can generate electricity. This product is already helping areas that are lacking natural ways of producing electricity and are too far away for traditional distribution of power. Balloons that can deliver internet in the most remote areas. These balloons are already hovering over some parts of Africa, giving access to information to some of the most secluded areas of the world. We have named our new project Liftware. The first pillar to be addressed is the big problem. A 2014 study from Roshi shows that more than 10 million Americans and many more people worldwide are affected by a neurological condition that causes involuntary shaking, like muscle tremor and Parkinson's disease. Other types of conditions for which this spoon can be suitable are conditions that may contribute to limited hand and arm mobility, and include cerebral palsy, spinal cord injury, Huntington's disease, and post-stroke deficits. As you all know, we're part of Google X department focused on studying the life science and using technology to better understand health and to prevent, detect, and manage diseases. Being part of this department, we've had the chance to work on remarkable inventions. In this case, our goal is to help people with muscle problems, hand tremors, or limited hand and arm mobility. And we're planning to achieve all the above with the help of our product, which uses a self-stabilizer handle attachment that can be used on forks or spoons. Initially, we'll develop two similar products but with slightly different application. Liftware Steady is an assistive device for hand tremor that uses an advanced sensor and motor-based cancellation technology. This will make the spoon or fork shake about 70% less than the hand of the user. Our other project is called Liftware Level, and this one is created for people with limited hand and arm mobility, like people suffering from cerebral palsy, for example. The advanced sensor and motor-based self-leveling technology inside the mechanism will allow the utensil to stay level at all time, regardless of how the arm twists, bends, and moves. The project challenges and opportunities. Some of the challenges we're facing are, I'll start with price. With an estimated price around $250, it is quite indeed more expensive than a regular spoon. Although this is a relatively small price to pay for a potentially life-changing product, some of the target customers might not be able to afford to purchase our product. That being said, we will be working with insurance companies, try to incorporate our product into plans. And once the product is complete, we'll try to work with both private and governmental agency to provide incentives or total compensation for in the healthcare plans for purchasing the Liftware products. Durability. As usual, we will ensure to create a durable and reliant product, but with so many high-tech components, and with no benchmark for comparison, the average lifespan of the product is hard to estimate at this point. And for the ease of use, since the majority of the targeted users will be elderly people, will ensure that the products are intuitive and will try to eliminate the learning curve for as much as possible. As for the opportunities, well, with great challenges come great opportunities. So we had the chance to create a revolutionary product that will also be the only one of its kind on the market. This will provide dominance in the field and provide a great opportunity for brand building for future products in the medical field for our company. Introducing our team. Our team is comprised of Astro Teller, CEO. He brings in a great expertise in the field of intelligent technology. Our CFO, John Smith, and Professor Vicky Villone, PhD, will be our project manager. We have also brought on our team the three best engineers, Natalie Sanchez, Redia Demisi, and Tiberiu Hrab, for their expert knowledge. Our project's goal is to successfully launch our two products in the projected 18 months using our 6 team members and within our $1.2 million budget. The project manager and the engineers will meet on a weekly basis for approximately 2 hours. The meeting right now is scheduled for Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. The entire team will then meet in the first Monday of every month at 10 a.m. for a project review meeting. For our project, we're expecting a truly open and transparent environment based on trust and communications between the team members. We're looking to escalate any unforeseen challenges and risks and to establish the approval process. Our team will have to agree to all this expectation before we move forward. The timeline presented here shows the general duration and approximate milestones for the 3 main phases of the project and their further division into 10 more detailed phases. The first 7 months are dedicated to market research and the business and sales plans. We need to ensure that once completed, our product will be able to sell and reach enough people to generate a profit. In the next couple of months, our team will work on making the product visible to the market by creating a website and promoting in the media in time for our product launch scheduled for July 31st. Our following 6 months will be comprised of execution, followed by mandatory 3 months of maintenance. I hope you are just excited about this project as I am, because from here for our next steps, we need all the team members to sign the expectation agreement. And once that's completed, Professor Villone will proceed with creating the project charter for all the team members to review and sign. The project manager and the engineers will attend this Wednesday's meeting to review the timeline and plan the roles and responsibilities. And based on this meeting, the project manager will plan the monthly report meeting for the CEO and CFO. Please let me know if you have any feedback or questions. If not, I would like to conclude this meeting by thanking everyone present and to again express my excitement to work with you on this truly remarkable and potential life-changing project for so many people. Thank you.